Hello everyone, today I'm back out here skimountaineering. Today's hike is probably going to be pretty boring because we're going to ski on some ski slopes, but still I have to put some elevation in my legs, so I'm going, and I also need a long video, so I'm going to take you with me. I still don't know if I'm going to be only with my dad or also with my friend and trainer Nota, but I knew it on the spot. Today's weather is not the best because it's a little bit cloudy, and on the other valleys it's probably either raining or snowing. If it's raining, it's going to be really bad. Otherwise, it's just going to be badish or something like that. Anyways, now I have to start moving a little bit faster because I have a bus to take, and then I'll start climbing. So cool today, snowing a lot, and I'm not built for that much snow. We're almost there. Let's go. It's snowing like crazy. It's almost to be so a hail. I don't know if that's the right term. Anyway, I'm doing good. Now I'm going to close my gear with the tripod. What crazy descent. The powder today is beautiful. Buona. Ole. Hopla, bajado sí. Oh. Che bello, ma che figo. Carino, carino.